Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to apply for food stamps in Georgia for 2025. If you're struggling with food insecurity or just want to understand your options, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step so you can get the help you need quickly and easily. First off, what exactly are food stamps? Well, they're now called SNAP, which stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. This federal program helps low-income individuals and families in Georgia buy nutritious food. For 2025, there might be some updates, like adjusted income limits based on inflation, so it's a great time to check if you qualify. To start, you'll need to meet basic eligibility criteria. In Georgia, this typically includes having a household income at or below 130% of the federal poverty level, being a U.S. citizen or qualified immigrant, and meeting work requirements if you're able-bodied. Don't worry if you're not sure. There are resources to help you figure this out. Now, let's talk about the application process. The easiest way is online through the Georgia Gateway website. Just head to gateway.ga.gov, create an account, and fill out the application form. You'll need to provide details about your household size, income, expenses, and assets. If you prefer not to go digital, you can download a paper application from the site or visit your local Department of Family and Children Services (DFCS) office. Make sure you have the right documents ready. This includes proof of identity like a driver's license or social security card, proof of income such as pay stubs or tax returns, residency proof like a utility bill, and information on any dependents. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed, and you might need to attend an interview. Processing usually takes about 30 days, but 2025 changes could speed this up in some cases. After approval, you'll get an EBT card loaded with benefits each month. Remember, SNAP is there to support you, so don't hesitate to apply if you qualify. For more details, check the Georgia Department of Human Services website or call their helpline. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more practical guides. See you next time. Word count: 385.